How do you rank #1 in ChatGPT? We're working on it. Hey Chris, say hello.
Hello.
Chris is a college student over at Biola University. It's right over there. We're at the La Mirada Farmers Market, and like many college students, they're using technology to cheat on their tests. Isn't that right, Chris?
What's up?
You cheat on your test with ChatGPT?
Yeah.
It's like calculators, but for people back in the 60s, I guess, when the calculators were created. It's changing the way people do business. Here at the La Mirada Farmers Market, you have a lot of small businesses, and many of them are utilizing social media way after social media has been established. Why is that? Because they figured out a way to use it to make money. The people who started using social media were business owners who were innovators. They were early adapters. I am seeking to help my business rank #1 when people search on ChatGPT. Hey, what's a great tea to help with herbal remedies? Or how do I help my child who has a skin rash with tea? Social media makes it difficult to promote information like that because it's controlled. It's a centralized search system. That means whatever gets sent out gets processed through a centralized system, and it's not organic. It's not organic search. Well, decentralized systems is when things go viral. It goes viral because people are sharing it. Centralized systems, well, quite frankly, whoever's in control, Meta, Google, the big media tech companies, they decide what goes viral. And as ChatGPT is being developed right now, the algorithm is being developed. Better lighting. The algorithm is being developed, and I have to ask you, whether you're a tea company, when you might see us as competition, how are you using this new innovation right now to grow your business? A lot of these small business owners aren't thinking like that. They're just trying to figure out how to put money on the table. I understand that. I have 4 children and I live in Los Angeles. Yeah, it's expensive. So I want to just throw that out to you. If you're looking to use ChatGPT just to cheat on your homework or save money on your taxes and not how to figure out how to grow your business, how to capitalize off this new technology, then you're going to be way behind the curve when businesses take off. I hope this is helpful. And if you have any recommendations on how you're using ChatGPT or the technology that's being developed, leave them in the comment below. I'll give you my little piece of advice. Meet with tech people who know way more about artificial intelligence and how ChatGPT works than you. Take them out to lunch, ask them questions, and if they seem legit, then hire them on commission, saying, hey, you do this well, we'll split the profits. Of course, it helps if you put a little money down because the best people don't like to work for free, myself included. I work for tea.